What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys JoJo's dope ass exhaust setup. So currently he's cutting off the slits in his front bumper and he's already done. Should have showed you guys, but yeah, he just cut off this the three, what do they call them, the little grill thingamajiggers. We left these on. You can't even see them, so we don't care about them, but we got rid of those three, and all you can see is like a little bit of missing paint, and it looks much better without them. So if you still have them, we just use this. Yeah, but that's what I'm gonna show you guys today, and yeah, let's check it out. Now he's gonna wipe off all the shavings on his intercooler. We don't want that going inside. And once you trim off these little slits on the bumper, it's gonna leave missing paint, and it doesn't look that great. So as a quick touch up, we're just gonna use this. Oh, let's do it right here. I used touch-up paint for mine, but this is black, so wow, can't even tell we did anything. So before we start driving, he has a MBRP Turboback exhaust, and his exhaust is straight pipe, so it's all straight, dude. So it's as loud as it can get. MBRP, and he has the STRATIFIED loud crackles, so it's loud. So let's check it out. Ready? Yeah. So we're taking off. Yeah. He's happy about it every time too. It freaking crackles. Alright, so when he lets off to shift, when he lets off to shift and he shifts slow, you'll hear a lot of crackles. So like if there were cops around, you kind of wouldn't want to be doing that. So what do you do when cops are around?
Drive normal.
Drive normal, and you shift faster. The faster you shift, the less crackles you'll hear. So that's a little tip if you want to go with this setup, because it's extremely loud and it gets people's attention. It really does.
Two-step it?
Yeah, we'll two-step it. Alright, so I'm gonna step out of the car and he's gonna rev the car, and I want you guys to hear this. Just rev it. I kid you not, my left eardrum like tickled right now. That was weird. Dude, I think he messed up my ear, but that was crazy. Okay, so he's gonna do some drive-bys. We're gonna try to get some crackles, and let's see if we can get some nice crackles. Alright, so it's a little windy. I hope there's not too much wind noise. I got my mic on. It has like a little thingamajigger on it, so I hope there's not too much wind noise, but there's JoJo. He's gonna do a drive-by. Let's go. another one. Let's catch this. Alright, I got some height. Oh. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh my goodness. Damn, you got to admit that thing is super loud. Alright, one more time and that's good. Have crackles? Oh. Alright, so that was his exhaust. Let me know what you think about that. That's crazy. Alright, so right now JoJo is full bolt-ons with a stratified tune. So he's gonna do a pull. Let's see what we think. Ready? I'm ready. Okay, by the smile, you can tell I like it. All right. So that was the video, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That was JoJo's exhaust. You should follow this fool on Instagram as well. I'm gonna leave mine and his in the link. ST Lugo. But yeah, that was his exhaust, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye. They look super good, don't they? Super good. I love it. Super good. Ah.